Ciao Tesla people, I just downloaded the Tesla update 2025.44.25.4.1, which should be just bug fixes and some security improvements. So here is the screen. Okay, so let's do the installation. Let's actually check the release notes and let's see if what it says. Doesn't say much. So basically, there are probably bug fixes from the Christmas, the holiday update, the previous one. So let's go back and start the installation software. Actually, let's go here and let's start the installation. Then you tap here and it starts the installation. You see? Pretty easy. So we'll see how long does it take. Usually it will take 20-30 minutes, something like that. Hopefully less, because it's just bug fixes. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you as soon as the installation is done, and we'll see if there are any changes from the menu screen. Usually, if there is a change, there is a blue dot. If it's a big change or new app or something. Otherwise, you have to go through the notteslaapp.com site, which tracks all the changes. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. So I'm done with the installation, which took 20 minutes, 25 minutes, something like that. Okay, so I went to the notteslaapp.com site. And for this release, the 2025.44.25.4.1, there are around 20 undocumented changes. Now, it might be that some of these are from the previous release, the holiday update, this big one, okay? That there were lots of changes, but here on this one, most likely they're fixing stuff and adding stuff and all that kind of things. Okay, so I counted on this site, they keep track of all these changes undocumented. I counted 20. So not everyone applies to all the models, so they apply to different models, different locations, and also different let's say Model Y, different version of the Model Y. Okay, so for example, the standard compared to the premium or the performance. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can check it out, the changes for your specific car model and your specific location. For example, here in Italy, some of these ones are not present. Okay, that's usually the case. For example, automatic HOV lanes routing, we don't have it, so not relevant in Italy, but it applies to all the models. Okay, so that's that kind of stuff. So it's the usual case. So, but it's cool that there are some undocumented changes. So check out the link down below. Also, check out my Tesla referral. The link is in the description. You can get a discount for your model, new Tesla, or for FSD if you're buying FSD. About FSD, I did a video this past weekend, so check it out that too. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, comment, and I'll see you next video because I'm going to install some products. I think some are coming tomorrow, so we'll see if I can do it tomorrow or in the coming days or coming weekend. Okay, so check out and ciao Tesla people.